Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I want to show you some of the benefits for raising chickens and gardening. So check it out, I got my first couple of dozen eggs, and somebody will probably come by and purchase them today. And I also got a lot of plants growing. So that's tot soy, and broccoli is the second one. I forgot to plant that row there. And beets, one kind of a beet in that third row, and Wakefield cabbage on the next one, this one right here. Imagine those little plants are going to grow into be big cabbages. And chard. Oh, those are both cabbages. And this one's chard. You can kind of see a little color in the chards. And then those are golden Detroit beets. And then on the end is turnips. Those are growing well, huh? All these are like mesclun lettuce, mesclun lettuce. And I'm going to grow that year round in here. And lacinato kale. And a lot of this is organic, and some was just given to me. Thanks, Cheryl. And that's white Russian kale, and that stuff looks like the kind that's really good to eat raw. It's kind of easy to eat raw, especially if you massage it. And this one is collards, and these are red cabbages, and you can tell that those are a little red. And then down here we just got some tomatoes popping up. San Marzano tomatoes right there. See them? And black Krim tomatoes just barely starting to come out. And these two have not popped out. Oh wait, nope. And then over here, all that is spinach. Okay, so the end 3 rows is spinach. And then these 2 rows here are more mesclun lettuce. So I learned that you don't want to pull those out of there until there's a really good root system that holds all the soil in together. But they still did okay. I'm learning. So those are green onions. See little green onions? And this is thyme. Those are thymes, and I'm going to grow continually herbs under this light in here. So I'm going to have free herbs, not free, but you know, yeah, free. Okay, and this one here is cilantro. Those are cilantro. All the herbs are going to be growing continually. Radish, those are radishes. This one hasn't come up yet, parsley. I'm not sure why the parsley is not coming up. Basil, look at the basils. Aren't those cuties? Little cuties. So, yeah, everything's doing good here. I'm trying to quell any fears of the coronavirus. But it's a cold, kind of a snowy day out today. Hey, you birds, you want to come say hi to the viewers? Come on, you birds. Hey. Are you guys doing good? Yeah? Hey, Red. So I have 18 birds and 1 imposter. That's not mine, but he's joined our flock now. He sleeps with them in the hen houses. and he likes to hump them. He likes to hump them. Now, yesterday I'm working out here on the porch and enjoying doing some woodworking, but the chickens are all like the roosters are humping the hens, and I'm like, how come I don't get any? So I wanted to show you, in addition to all of that, oh, I got my, check it out. I got my latch done and my handles. Remember the handles that I bought at the hardware store? Chakra, you're doing good, huh? You just need more exercise. Daddy's been working so hard. We'll get out there tomorrow probably. It's kind of cold today. But you guys, I decided to go with just one thickness of rubber on the rollers. And so I assembled them all yesterday. And I have all sizes. Look at this. I have all sizes available. Pretty much. And the thinner rubber is the best. It comes out the best. And people can certainly get used to the thin rubber. And it's a nice color. I have cherry and maple. Cherry and maple. Now a big one like this is for somebody up to 240 pounds. And a 2-incher like this, I believe that's a 2-inch, yeah. No, that's a 2-inch. Anyways, they range from like a small one like this for somebody up to 120 pounds. To a great big wide one like that for somebody up to like 240, and then everything in between. So then I have 3 more on the way. I've been working my butt off. Check it out. I busted out 3 more, and we'll knock these out soon. This is a 2-inch. That's a 2-incher per side. This is a 1 3/4. I gotta finish cutting the outside of that. And this one's also that one's like a 2 1/8. That's a 2 1/8. So yeah. So all is well here at the homestead. The eggs range in size from like, that's a pretty large one, to just a small one like that. Look how cute that one is. It's like a little round one. Oh, and I opened their hen things, the nesting things yesterday. And one of them was laying an egg as I opened it. I was like, oh, sorry. Sorry to intrude. So thanks everybody for joining me, and keep your cool with this coronavirus thing. You know, most people, if you're watching my videos, if you've been doing what I've been telling you, you know, you're fairly healthy and you have a strong understanding of what you need to do if you do get the coronavirus, to be able to stay hydrated, to be able to cleanse, sleep, breathe. Natural things can get you through. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. Be well.